Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're back here in the kitchen. No, we will not be doing fitness workout today. This time, I will show you how to bake this easy, so tasty. Really guys, this is yummy. Must try super loaves. This bread is protein-packed, high in fiber, and it has loads of nutrients too. Just look at those colors, guys. So vibrant, so pretty, and healthy too. I'm sure that you will be satisfied cooking this one, so come and join me. Let's do it together and have fun in the kitchen. Take a chance to use your own creativity in the kitchen and use your own favorite toppings. And I squeeze in another option here how you can enjoy this delicious bread. Will be perfect, of course, with your favorite soup. I have tomato soup here with some croutons and olive oil, drizzle of olive oil. So just enjoy the bread as it is with your soup, or smear some butter or margarine, or put some slices of your favorite cheese. So guys, to start with, take your pen and your paper and let's jot down all the ingredients that we will be needing for this yummy bread. Or the easiest way, take a screenshot of all the ingredients. I'm sure you know what to do. And just showing you the finished product, guys. So fresh from the oven. Success and satisfaction guarantee. Okay guys, let's go on. I'm just so excited to show you this finished product. Now let's start baking. Just empty the content of the bread mix into a clean bowl. Then add the dry yeast. I'm using dry yeast, that's 11 grams, and mix well. Add in the rest of the dry ingredients. Chopped walnuts goes in, and seasoning, that's turmeric powder, and the flaxseed, 1 tablespoon. Mix it again and add the warm water. Mix it for about 8 minutes and add your oil. I sprinkle with a bit of flour so it doesn't stick on my hands. Knead the dough lightly until it's smooth, then cover it with kitchen towel. Let it rest for about 30 minutes, and on the floured kitchen surface, knead it again, just lightly, and cut it into 2. This dough is so soft to the touch. Now you can start forming your bread. Now you can transfer the dough on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and cover it with kitchen towel and let it rest again for about 45 minutes or 1 hour in a dark place and no draft. After 45 minutes, look how big it becomes. It rises very well. The yeast have done its work. The darkness and the warmth of the place while you keep it resting. Just spray it with water and sprinkle with sesame seeds and bake in preheated oven for about 25 minutes. That's all you need. But remember to preheat the oven to 225 Celsius. That's ready, guys. Yummy. And that's how I check my bread. I tap at the bottom so there should be a hollow sound. Then that's ready to be enjoyed. Let it cool down in a rack and you are ready to go. Make your own version of your open sandwich. Enjoy it with your soup. I made here salmon and avocado and this cold cut meat with some cucumber. Smelling so good here in the kitchen, guys. So that's feta and olive and grilled paprika. That's cheese, apple, and plums. And that is liver with paprika jam. You can use any jam with liver pate, liver paste. It needs some sweetness. So that's our project for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you can enjoy it with your soup. Hot or cold soup. Like this gazpacho, the Spanish, a cold soup. You can also freeze half of this bread, and the rest you can enjoy it straight right away after baking. So yummy with my tomato soup. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers to all. Stay safe, healthy, and connected. Be happy too. Thumbs up to all. Bye.